On this video today, I'm going to show you a blueprint method that you can use to make $500 plus per day as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. The best part is that you can use this method even if you're a complete beginner who have never made money online. And it is also available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Lead, you can join CPA Build, you can join OGS, or any CPA network that you know you can join and still use this method to make money from home. In this video, I'm using CPA Grip. If you want, you can create an account with CPA Grip and then begin to promote offers. So once you create your accounts on CPA Grip, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you're going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find offers that you can promote. As I scroll down, you can see many offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. But these offers, what you have to do is that you have to promote them to people in the United Kingdom so that they can enter the requirements for you to earn the payouts. You can see this offer right here. Get your Aldi gift card now. You are going to be earning $1.66 per every lead that you get, and you can see this is the requirement: email or zip submit. You can see it is allowed on Android, Apple iOS, and then desktop. But one challenge of this offer is that it has a lower payout. So if you are using paid traffic, you are not going to be earning profit. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a country where you can get offers with higher payout so that you can promote them and then make money from home. So what you have to do is that just come right here, click on the country. Once you click on it, you can see a lot of different countries that you can select and then find offers to promote. As I scroll, you can see many countries. In this case, we are going to search for Ireland. So just search for Ireland right here. Once you search for it, you can see it, just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down. You can see it is still loading. As you can see, these are the offers that you can promote in Ireland. You can see this one right here, verify your human now. The requirement is pin submit, so your potential visitors have to enter a mobile number. Once they enter the mobile number to verify that they are humans, you are going to be paid 54 cents. You can see it is allowed on all mobile devices. So what we are going to do is that we are going to scroll down so that we can find offers with higher payout. You can see this offer right here, access the best gaming content. If you get a visitor in Ireland to enter a mobile number to get access to the gaming content, you are going to be paid $9.33. You can see it right here. The offer is allowed on Android, it is allowed on Apple iOS. So what you have to do is that just search for the offer with higher payout. So you can just scroll down and then find any of the offers that has a higher payout. When you scroll down, you can see this offer right here, claim a iPhone 14 gift card. The payout is $10.27. You can see the requirement is pin submit. That means your potential visitors have to enter a mobile number. You can see the offer is allowed on Android, it is allowed on Apple iOS. So what you have to do is that you have to promote this offer since it has a higher payout. Promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on the name so that you can get your affiliate link. So just click on it. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see the details. This is the title of the offer. You can see the requirement right here. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. You can see the payout, $10.27. You can see the domains that you can select, any tracking domain that you want. You can just scroll down and then select it. Apart from that, you can see the warning right here. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Ireland. So that is the warning. You can see the offer image right here, and you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to copy this link so that you can get people in Ireland to click on it, enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 gift card, and you are going to be paid $10.27. They don't need to buy any product. What your potential visitor have to do is that they have to enter the mobile number and you are going to earn the $10.27. Whether they win the iPhone gift or not, you are still going to be paid. So now what we have to do is that we have to find a traffic source whereby we can get people in Ireland to click on our link and then enter their details. We have paid traffic source and we have free traffic source. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using the paid traffic because it is reliable and it gives quick results. So what we have to do is that we have to be using the paid traffic so that we can earn money fast using this method. So the next step is that we are going to come on Google and then search for galaxin.com. Just search for Galaxin. Once you search for it, you can see the website right here, Galaxin Galaxin.com. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Galaxin.com is a website that you can use to promote your affiliate links. Any affiliate link that you want, you can create an account right here and then advertise it to any country that you want, so that you can get people to enter their details for you to make money. One good thing about this website is that the minimum deposit is very low. So even if you have a lower budget, you can still create an account on this platform and then deposit your money, so that you can be using the platform to run your ads at a cheaper cost. To create your ads on this platform, what you have to do is that you have to create an advertiser's account. So you can click right here, advertiser, or you can just click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for an account. Let me just click on sign up right here. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select right here advertiser. Just select advertiser. Once you select advertiser, you are going to select whether you are individual or company. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email, enter your first name and then second name right here. You can see password, confirm your password. You are going to select the messenger, any messaging platform that you want. You can enter it right here. You can enter Skype, Telegram, WhatsApp, WeChat, any of them that you are using. You are going to select it and then enter it right here. Once you select the messenger that you are using, you are going to enter your messenger ID. That is simply your name. If it is WhatsApp, you are going to enter your WhatsApp number right here. Once that is done, you are going to select your country. You are going to click on it and then select the country where you are from. Apart from that, you can see promo code. If you have a promo code, you can enter it right here. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, so that you can agree to the privacy policy and the terms and conditions. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, register, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is your dashboard. So now what we have to do is that we have to begin running our campaign. But before we run the campaign, we can create a landing page before we begin to promote our affiliate link right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for Google site. Just search for Google site, so that you can use it to build your free landing pages. So just search for Google site. Once you search for it, click on the first website right here. Once you click on the first website, you can begin to create your landing page from here. You can select a template to create your landing page. You can click on blank, so that you can create a new landing page afresh. In this case, we are going to create a landing page from scratch. So just click on blank, so that you can create your landing page. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to enter the title of your landing page right here. So you can type something like iPhone, just say iPhone 14 gift, something like this, iPhone 14 gift. Once you enter the title of your site, the next step is that you are going to delete this header. You can see the delete icon right here. Click on it, so that the header can be deleted. Once you delete the header, the next step is that you are going to enter a title right here. So just click right here, text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to copy and paste the title of the offer right here. So you are going to come back on CPA group, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So just highlight it and then center it. So click on the align. Once you click on align, you are going to select this option right here, so that the text can be centered. As you can see, that has been done. You can increase the font size. So just click right here, increase the font size to any size that you want. In this case, I'm going to select 48. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to upload the offer image right here. So you can come back on CPA group, right click on the image of the offer. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as. Once you click on save image as, you are going to click right here, save. Once you click on save, the image has been downloaded onto your PC. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on your landing page. Once you are on your landing page, click right here, images. Once you click on it, select upload. Once you select upload, you are going to search for your image and then upload it. You can see your image right here. Click on it. Once you click on upload, select your image, click open. As you can see, that has been done. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to bring the image to the center. Just drag it and bring it right here. As you can see, that has been done. As you can see, this is the image of the offer. It has been well positioned. The next step is that you are going to type a call to action right here. You can use an image call to action or a text call to action. In this case, I'm going to use an image call to action. So what you have to do is that you have to select images. Once you select images, click right here, select. Once you click on select, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, Google images. Once you select Google images, you are going to type the kind of image that you want. In this case, we are going to type something like click now button, something like this, click now button. Once you type it, you are going to search so that you can find click now button. You can see many of them. Any of them that you want, you can just click on it. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to select this image right here. So just click on the image. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here, insert. As you can see, the image has been inserted right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to reduce it. Just reduce it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you reduce it, you are going to place it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Drag it and then place it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So now once you have the image of the offer, your call to action, your heading, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link so that when people visit this landing page, they can click right here and then visit the offer through your affiliate link. So the next step is that you are going to go back on CPA group so that you can copy your affiliate link and then insert it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back on CPA group, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back on your landing page. Once you come back on your landing page, you are going to highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you are going to select insert link. Click on that. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Click on apply. Once you click on apply, you can see this is your affiliate link. Once that is done, you are also going to insert your affiliate link on the image of the offer. So just highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on insert link. Once you click on that, paste your affiliate link right here. Click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. So now once you have your affiliate links in your landing page, the next step is that you are going to publish it so that you can get people to visit this landing page and then click on your call to action so that they can be directed to the offer through your affiliate link. To publish your landing page, you're going to click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you're going to enter a web address that is available. So you can just enter something like iPhone 14 gift card 123. As you can see, that is available. So once that is available, you're going to click right here, publish, so that you can publish your landing page. You can see it is publishing. It has been published. So you can click right here, view, so that you can see how your landing page will appear. As you can see, this is your landing page. When you scroll down, you can see this is the landing page. So anytime people visit the landing page, they're going to see something like this. Once they click right here, they're going to be directed to the offer through your affiliate link. So now the next step is that you're going to promote this landing page on galaxy.com. So you are going to come back on your dashboard on galaxy.com. Once you come back, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, campaigns, so that you can create a campaign. Once you click on campaigns, what you have to do is that you have to create a new campaign. So just click right here, create, so that you can create a new campaign. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, accept. Once you click on accept, the next step is that you are going to enter the details of your ad. You can see the campaign name. So enter the campaign name that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type iPhone gift card, something like this, iPhone gift card. Once that is done, you are going to select the business model. So you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you can see CPM, cost per mail. That means you are going to be paying per every 1,000 visits that you get. You can see CPC, cost per click. It means you are going to be paying per every click that you get. You can see CPA, cost per action. So you are going to be paying per every action that your visitor will take. In this case, I'm going to select CPC. So just select that. Once that is done, you are going to select your ad format. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any of these ad formats that you are seeing. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to select on page notification. So just select that. As you can see, once you select it, you can see this is how it is going to appear. So now the next step is that you are going to select mobile or desktop. In this case, the offer is allowed on mobile, so just select mobile. Once you select mobile, the next step is that you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, what you have to do is that you are going to upload the image of the offer right here. So you are going to click on it so that you can upload the image that you downloaded earlier. So just select your image, click on open. Once you upload your image, you can see this is it. You are going to crop it the way you want. So in this case, I'm going to crop it like this. Once you crop it, you are going to click on crop so that the image can be used. You can see it right here. Once you upload the image, the next step is that you are going to upload the header right here. The header is simply the title of the offer that you are promoting. So you have to go back on CPA group so that you can copy the header. Once you come back on CPA group, you are going to highlight and then copy the title of the offer as your header. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to paste the body right here. So you are going to come back on CPA group. You can see this is the body of the offer. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can add emojis. So just click on the emoji icon right here so that you can add the emojis that you want. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different emojis that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of the emoji that you want, you can just select it. Just select the one that you want. If you want, you can scroll down and then select any of them that you want. Just select the one that you want. Once that is done, if you want, you can scroll down and then select any of these templates. But in this case, we don't want any template, so just click right here, create. Once you click on create, you can see this is your ad. The next step is that you are going to enter the rest of the details. You can see the capping, that is the frequency capping. How many times do you want a person to see your ad in 24 hours? If you want 3 times, you can do that. If you want 4 times, you can do that. Any number of times that you want people to see your ad per day. In this case, I want a person to see my ad 3 times in 24 hours. So just select that. Once that is done, you can see right here the start date and the end date. So we are going to leave it with the start date, but for the end date, if you want, you don't have to enter any date, because we want to test the method. If it is working, we can continue with it so that we can be making money. If it is not working, we can stop the ad at any time. So just leave here. Once that is done, you can see geo. So that is the country. You are going to select the country that you are targeting. So click on it so that you can select the country that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting Ireland, so just search for Ireland right here. Once you search for it, you can see Ireland. Select that. The offer is only allowed in Ireland, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see cost. You are going to select the cost per click. You can see cost per click. You are going to select the amount that you are willing to pay per every click that you get. So you can enter the amount right here. You can see, just enter any amount that you want. In this case, I'm going to enter 0.005. That is the amount that I'm willing to pay per every click that I get. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down to the bottom. You can see right here the connection type, Wi-Fi and 3G. You are going to leave it like this. You can see the operating system. The offer is allowed on Android. It is allowed on Apple iOS. So you have to click on it, select iOS. Once that is done, you are going to click on it again, select Android. Once that is done, you can see browsers. The offer is allowed on all browsers, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here daily campaign budget. How much are you willing to spend per day on your ad? So just enter it right here. We are going to enter $10 right here. These figures, we are just entering them. If the ad is not getting us results, we can stop it at any time. Once that is done, you can see total campaign budget. Enter the amount right here. You can see the minimum is $30. Just enter it. Once you enter the budget, the next step is that you are going to enter your destination URL. This is where you are going to paste the link to your landing page. So you are going to come back on your landing page, click on this icon so that you can copy the link to your landing page. Once you click on it, click right here, copy link. Once you click on copy link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So we have entered all the details that are required. The next step is that you are going to click right here, submit, so that your ad can be submitted. As you can see, launch campaign after moderation. We are going to click yes, because we want our campaign to start running immediately after approval. If you select no, it means when they approve your ad, you still have to log in to activate it, but we want our ad to start running automatically. So just click on yes. Once you click on yes, you can see your campaign is waiting approval. You can see it right here, awaiting. So once it gets approved, the next step is that you are going to be getting traffic from Ireland, so that you can get the right people to click on your link and then enter their mobile numbers, so that you can be earning $10.27. So now, to get your ad running, what you have to do is that you have to deposit funds into your accounts. To deposit funds, you are going to click right here, payments. Once you click on payments, you are going to select your payment method that you want to use to deposit money into your accounts. You can use your credit card, you can use this one right here, Paxum, or you can use wire transfer. Any of them that you want, you can just click on it and then use it to deposit money into your accounts. You can see the credit card, the minimum deposit is $50. That is very cheap. So even if you have a lower budget, you can still use this platform to advertise your links and then make money from home wherever you are. So make sure you select the payment method that you want, so that you can deposit money into your accounts. Once you deposit money, your ad is going to start running and you are going to be getting results. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.